Welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Friends, today our topic is essay on culture as the unifying force for the modern world in English. Introduction. Culture defined as the shared belief, values, customs and traditions of a society hold immense power in shaping human interaction and shaping collective identities in an era characterized by globalization, technological advancement, and cultural exchange. The significance of culture as the unifying force cannot be overstated. As societies become increasingly interconnected, cultural expression serve as vehicle for communication, empathy, and mutual respect, fostering a sense of belonging and interconnectedness among individuals from diverse backgrounds. Culture and social cohesion. At its core, culture is a binding force that brings people together, providing them with a sense of shared identity and belonging, whether through language, religion, art, or cuisine. Cultural expression serve as a building block of community, forging connection among individuals who may otherwise be separated by geographical or social barriers. Culture and identity formation. In addition to fostering social cohesion, culture play a fundamental role in shaping individual and collective identities. From childhood, individuals are immersed in cultural practices and traditions that shape their worldview, values, and sense of self. Whether through family rituals, education, experience, or exposure to media and popular culture, individuals internalize cultural norms and narratives that inform their understanding of who they are and where they belong in the world. As such, culture not only provides a sense of belonging but also serves as a blueprint for identity formation, shaping how individuals perceive themselves and relate to others. Preserving cultural heritage. In the age of rapid globalization, preserving cultural heritage has become more critical than ever. Cultural heritage embodies the collective memory, history, and identity of communities. By safeguarding cultural heritage sites, tradition, and practices, societies can maintain a sense of continuity and identity amid rapid change. Moreover, preserving cultural heritage fosters pride and belonging, empowering communities to embrace their unique identity while also contributing to global diversity, culture, and international cooperation. Beyond its role in fostering social cohesion and identity formation, culture also plays a crucial role in international relations and diplomacy. In an increasingly interconnected world, cultural exchange and cooperation serve as key mechanisms for building trust, understanding and cooperating among nations through initiatives such as cultural diplomacy. Countries can leverage their cultural heritage and soft power to promote mutual respect and dialogue, thereby reducing tension and promoting peace and stability on the global stage. In conclusion, culture serves as the unifying force for modern world, bringing people together, fostering understanding and promoting cooperation. From promoting social cohesion and identity formation to facilitating international cooperation and diplomacy, culture play a multifaceted role in shaping human interaction and shaping the global landscape. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you are like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comments. Bye friends.